If you have shoulder pain and you would like to start strengthening your shoulder muscles, doing traditional exercise can be painful. So try this variation. Pick up a light resistance band, anchor it to somewhere that is stable. Hold the band, elbow at 90 degrees, forearm parallel to the floor. Thumb is facing up, the arm is facing straight ahead of you. Hold that band, step out to the side until you feel tension. Hold that position for 20 to 30 seconds. Do 5 repetitions total with 1 minute rest in between. If pain is too much, hold for 10 to start and work it up. Another variation is a different position where you're facing the band, your arm is abducted, meaning your elbow is a little bit up, out away from your side. You're going to hold that band, same theory. This one is especially good if, say, you play the violin, you are a pianist, you're a makeup artist, you're a hairdresser, even tango dancers. I dance tango, so I could relate. This is really good because it's very similar to the activities that you're in. Once your pain is less, do the traditional sideline exercise. However, a lot of people do this incorrectly if they don't have enough external rotation. Either the elbow is extended, or they bend the elbow, or they lift the arm up. If that's the case, try this variation. You're still lying on your side. Make a fist with your bottom arm. Hold your top elbow onto your fist and practice that movement. This one can still be very challenging because your arm is actually away from your body. So practice the movement. You are in a good position where you can see your forearm, whether you're extending your elbow or bending your elbow too much. Both would not be the best form. So once you get the hang of the movement pattern, then add lightweight. Maybe start with just 1 pound and try the movement patterns. Another exercise to consider would be an eccentric exercise. Hold a light resistance band, bring your arms up overhead, anchor the band with your good arm down, then work on the lowering phase of your painful arm. Very good for getting the tendon stronger. Try 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15. Really work on that lowering phase of the movement. Most painful right around at shoulder height, okay? So it's a rotation, so don't forget that. Give those exercises a go and let me know how you get on with it.